Hello everyone, myself Dhanashri Ghate and I am a student of MSc second year, same fort, Department of Chemistry, and today's my seminar topic is poisons. Contents. Here we have to study what is poison, classification of poison and general treatment of poisoning. So what is poison? Poisons are substances administered either by inhalation, through mouth or by injection. Poisoning should be accidental, suicidal, criminal act. Generally, self-medication is an important cause of drug poisoning. Classification of poisons. Poisons are classified into three main categories. Corrosives. It can be strong acids, for example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, or strong alkalis, for example caustic soda, caustic potash. Irritants. The poisons which cause irritation, pain and excessive vomiting are known as irritant poison. These poisons are further divided into following categories: organic poisons, inorganic poisons and mechanical poisons. So, inorganic poisons. These poisons consist of both metallic, that is lead, mercury, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, silver, copper, zinc, etc., and non-metallic like zinc chloride, ferrous chloride, phosphate, sulfate, nitrate and nitrite, etc. compounds are inorganic poisons. Organic poisons. It consists of poison of both vegetables and animal origin. Animal poison consists of snake venom, scorpion venom, etc. Mechanical poison. The poison which causes irritation, perforation, obstruction in the gastrointestinal tract like powder glass, diamond dust, chopped hair, etc. Neurotic poison. These poisons affect the different parts of central nervous system such as cerebral poisons. Alcohol, opium, barbiturate are example of cerebral poisons. Peripheral poison which affect the peripheral nerves of the brain such as curare. Cardiac poisons are the poison which affect the cardiac system is known as cardiac poison. For example, digitalis, tobacco, etc. General treatment of poisoning. How poisons are treated. Emesis. Emesis plays an important role in poisoning. Amorphine 6 mg possesses an vomiting usually 3 to 5 minutes. Ipecac syrup or powder is also used for emesis to treat poisoning. It causes vomiting. Gastric leakage. It is necessary if the poison is ingested. The poison is washed out by inserting catheter into alimentary canal up to stomach. Washing are usually done with sodium bicarbonate where 2 gram in 300 ml of water. Second one is 30 gram magnesium or sodium sulfate in 1/4 liter of water, or 100 ml liquid paraffin in 150 ml of water. Use of antidote. Antidote can be mechanical, chemical or physiological. Mechanical antidote. These substances interfere with absorption of poison. The activity forming a coat over a mucous membrane of stomach. For example, charcoal, egg albumin. Chemical antidote. They react with poison to form insoluble compound. For example, KMNO4 used in opium poisoning. Magnesium oxide, calcium oxide neutralizes most of the acids. Physiological antidote. They produce the action which are opposite to that of the poisons. For example, caffeine for morphine, atropine for pilocarpine. Thank you.